strategist. Second rule for success: are you ready to change your actions towards your goal? Many people say that life is luck. Yeah, I and my friend had the same dream, but he got the dream and I did not. I could not pass it. And he believed that he got because he could achieve the goal because of it was luck. How many of you believe in luck? Do you really believe in luck? Personally, I don't believe in luck. I don't believe the word of luck exists in the world, in the universe. Actually, nobody becomes successful because you just count the celebrities you know. All the non-celebrities, list out. All the non-football players and the cricket players and the cinema stars and everybody, list out it. And all the business owners, list out it. Have you seen anybody who have sustained in the industry or in their profession more than 2 years with luck only? With luck only? No. You will not see any single person. Lionel Messi could stay there in the career around 20 years. It's not because of the luck. It's because of the effort and continuous hard work and the clarity of their vision. Cristiano Ronaldo, do you believe that he's become successful because of luck? If you get an opportunity, live 2 single days with him. 2 days. Separate days. Observe his habit of life. You will understand how he become a super football player in the world, and you will understand that why we could not make it. It's all because of the effort. It's all because of the habit and all because of the action. Many people have a dream and passion about their life, but very few people are making it because they are not ready to take an action for their dream. If you're not ready to take an action for your dream, you will not make it. You will not. No one will make it if you're not ready to take the action for your dream. My dear friends, this is very important. Action is the second most ingredient for you. If you want to reduce your weight, dreaming about losing weight will not create any changes in your life. You should have a dream of losing weight, and the next morning you have to wake up early in the morning, start workout, start stretching your body and make sweat and control your diet. This kind of an action and sacrifice and a continuous effort will give you the result as a reward. That is called success, your action. Many people have, in New Year's, every New Year's people set goals. Every New Year they make different kind of resolutions that I will become successful, I will do something else, I will make something big in life. But very few people are making it, and most of them are not making it only because that they have a dream, they have a resolution, everything is in a paper, but not in action. One of my friend, he's running a gymnasium in Qatar. When he came to my program, he would say that I have a 2-3 gymnasium and fitness centers in Qatar. So I asked that, which is your season? In a whole 12 months, and whenever you're getting most business, of course, he said, of course, it's January first week. We get an extreme hike in our business in every January 1st. People rush to our fitness centers because they had made a resolution. And all the crowd will disappear. Most of the crowd will disappear in 1 or 2 weeks, or a maximum in a month. And then all the normal people will remain in gymnasium. Then 2 weeks, my whole business will go to the normal. And every January 1st, I get more and more business. This is what happened to everybody. They will change their goal, but they will not change their action. They will not change their action, and if you're not ready to change your action, you will never ever change your result. The readiness, the real goal. Who is having a goal? If you ask me, who is having a goal? I can say that the clarity about the destination and the clarity about the time frame, need your brain to get more capacity. Feed your brain, reading, learning, understanding, workshops, webinars, podcasts, everything will help you to become. So invest adequate time for your physique and your mind, your brain. Both are required. Brain and along with the practice, because this practice will definitely help you to fly to the next level. This is important, my dears. This is important. If you are missing these two most important ingredients, readiness to do anything for achieving it. If you have these three ingredients, goal, time frame, and the readiness to do everything in life, then we can say you have a goal. You have a goal. That's goal. That is goal. If you're missing the time frame, it's not a goal. If you are missing the readiness to do the action, you don't have a goal. You have a dream. Many people have a dream. All the dreamers will not make life successful. You should have a three ingredient. If you should have a three minimum ingredients in your life. If you can say, yes, I have a goal. That's number one, the clarity of the destination where you wanted to be. And when you are going to make it, that means time frame and the readiness to do anything for achieving this goal. This three ingredient will complete your goal sheet. Then, along with this readiness, take an action. Take an action. So what action you have to do? I'm not asking you to do the whole day, 24 hours, completely work for your dream. No. You don't need to make it. But bring a small changes in your daily life. A daily discipline. If you want to lose your weight, so 24 hours of 1 week will not reduce. You will lose your life. But you only wanted to do 60 minutes of daily routine for your daily habit of workout. This is called a fitness. And what about the success? What about the career? What about the skills? You need to stretch your brain and your mental capacity. So 30 minutes of reading, 25 minutes or 30 minutes of practice. What is whichever the skill you wanted to have it. If you are a video editor, if you are a photographer, if you are a coder, if you are a programmer, if you are an engineer, if you're an architect, whatever you are and wherever you wanted to be, so stretch that area. Stretching is important. Clarity of goal and adequate action. Then what is the third ingredient for success? Wait, relax and wait with belief, because I have planted the right seed and I have done everything. I have poured water, I have planted into the fertilized land, fertilized the soil, and everything I've done to grow the plant. If you have done everything, then wait for having a good, healthy plant. That's it. That's the secret of life. First, have a goal. A goal will complete when you have a three-part: the destination clarity, time frame, and the readiness. And the second thing is action. Take a disciplined action for a long time. You will not succeed. You will not become successful. You will not achieve in short span of time. If your goal is quite big, you may have to stay there in the journey, maybe 3 years or 5 years, but you should have a patience and you should have a readiness and a commitment that I'll do whatever it may take. I'll do whatever it wanted to have. So this is kind of things. And to stay there and maintain your habits, maintain your discipline, always focus on developing your capacity, your knowledge size, your skill size, and one day you will reach. But one thing you have to make sure that it's not a destination. You will enjoy the pleasure. It's not in destination. It is in journey. If you are the person really waiting for the destination to have the spirit of happiness, then I'm sorry that I'm not sure that you will reach the destination. If you can't enjoy the journey with the full of belief, with the full of conviction that I'm going to make it, and enjoy it each and every moment, involve the entire sacrifice, entire effort, entire hard work, If you are feeling it's a pain, it's very hard. If you feel that a journey itself is a pleasure, then you will make it, my dear. This is all about secret ingredient of successful. So if you're following these three things in your success, if you apply it in your life, you will become everything. You will become everything. You will become anything you want it to be. All the best. This is me, Casac bin Charlie, International Business Strategist and Success Coach. Thank you for watching or listening to this podcast. Yes, if you like this podcast, please don't forget to follow our channel because we will always make such a podcast for you. Thank you so much.